We'll walk you through how to install YouTube on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Having YouTube on your computer makes it quick and easy to access. For this tutorial, we'll be using Google Chrome. You can use other browsers, but the steps may look a little different even though the features are similar. Open Google Chrome and go to YouTube. In the address bar, look to the right for a computer screen icon with a download arrow. When you hover over it, it will say Install YouTube. Click the icon, then click Install in the pop-up window. Alternative method. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Save and Share Install YouTube. In the pop-up, click Install. Once installed, YouTube will appear as its own shortcut on your desktop. Double-click it to open YouTube directly without going through your browser and start watching videos right away. If you found this guide useful, please give it a like.